This is the 1996 Chaparral. It's an 18.3 foot boat. I have it for sale on eBay, asking $5,000. For sale sign. For 96, it is in pretty good shape. There's no tears on the seats. It's a little faded, but I think you can buff it out with some wax or something. Paint's in good condition. Like I said, it's a 96, so it's not in great condition, but it is in good condition. Just needs a good buffing. I don't have a buffer. There's the Merritt Cruiser Alpha 1 3.0 liter engine. It will start. I just started it about 5 minutes ago. You got 2 batteries. Not sure why, but it came with the boat like that. The engine is not cleaned. I have not cleaned the engine. There's a little bit of oil. The boat's hasn't been out much in the last couple of years, maybe 2 or 3 times in the last 2 or 3 years. So there's no rot at all inside this hull. It's in good condition. Back is in good condition. There's no tears. Just needs to be cleaned up a little bit better. It's a little faded. You got your little step when you jump in the water. Back of the engine, I have a little Stingray fin. Bought that at Academy. It helps you stabilize a little bit better when you first take off, so you're not doing a wheelie, I guess that's what you call it. There's a prop. It's in good, alright condition, I guess. I never had any problems with it. On the side on here, on this side here, like I said, it just needs to be buffed out. I cleaned it very good when I first got it. Put some wax on it. It cleaned up pretty well. But there's no cracks, no scratches up right in here. Right in here. There's a couple little scratches, but that's just very on top of the fiberglass. Paint scratch mainly. The interior is in good shape. There's no tears in the seats or nothing, just faded. Hopefully you can see this stuff. Seats are in good shape. Carpet's in good shape. Up front's in good shape as well. I'm just going to turn it on just for a second so y'all can see. You can hear that it will start. It does start up. I ain't gonna let it run because I don't have no water. Like I said, the engine's not clean. A little oily, greasy. But it's been sitting for a while. Got you a big gas tank right here. If you can see. Yeah, let's see how many gallons. 21-gallon tank. Got some more ropes. I got some new jet skis. New skis, I mean. Got some new side protectors, which I should have had it on that day. I scratched the boat. But those skis are brand new. I think I've been out it once. And here's the front. in good shape, just a little faded. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit better. But I'm asking $5,000 or best offer, so see this. If you want to give me a holler, you got my number. Thanks.